Hello, my name is Ian Borin.
And Ian, where are you from?
I was born in Minnesota in the United States of America.
And how old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Tell something about you.
I love to play soccer, and I love to travel, and I love having new experiences.
Is this your first time?
This is
Here?
my second time at city camps in Ponzano, and I love it here. I'm very happy to be back.
And are you enjoying this camp?
Yeah, I'm having a great time. It's always a lot of fun.
A word to describe this camp?
It's very good. This time I have younger children, which is new and challenging, but I love it.
And what do you like about Italy?
What is there not to like? The food, the women. No, Italia, sei bellissimi, veramente. You are beautiful. Thank you.
And would you like to come here?
I would love to be back in Veneto. It's a very nice place. People are nice, and it's wonderful.
Okay.
Glad to be here. Thank you.
Acle's English camps